Imagine having an existing 170-plus page company policy document that an employee must read and know during their onboarding program. And you could turn it automatically into a video training. Well now, this will soon be possible in Speach. With this new AI feature, you will now be able to import your document and generate automatically a speech. You have few additional options. Choose the duration of the speech between short, medium or long. Choose the language of your speech. The AI will automatically translate it, or you can leave the language detection in automatic. So the process took a few seconds. It was pretty quick. So title and description are generated as well as the outline of your speech with the chapter titles and subchapter. You can regenerate this plan or validate. The chaptering of your speech is thus automatically generated.
Now let's move on to understanding data protection. Data protection involves all the measures taken to safeguard sensitive data from unauthorized access, breaches, and misuse. It is the mechanism by which organizations keep personal information secure. The objectives of data protection are centered on safeguarding sensitive information, ensuring its confidentiality, preventing unauthorized access, and maintaining data privacy. This keeps our data safe and ensures compliance with regulations. Data protection works through multiple layers, much like an onion. Each layer adds to the overall security. Physical security measures, administrative policies, and advanced technological tools like encryption all contribute to protecting data comprehensively.